The right of publicity is a term used to describe the right of an individual to control the commercial use of their name, their likeness, their photograph, and sometimes their voice. And it's a relatively recent right. Rights of privacy in the U.S. are also relatively recent, maybe a little over 100 years for the most part. And the right of publicity developed in the middle of the 20th century. And it recognized that in some cases an individual seeks privacy, and that's what the right of privacy protects. But in some cases there is a value to the name and likeness of an individual, and it isn't so much that the individual wants to keep it private, but it has a value, and they feel that they should be able to control the use of that value and be compensated for the use of that value, that publicity value. Mm-hmm. So it derives from that, and it's almost a type of intellectual property in your own face and name and other aspects of who you are. I think that it's individuals who have publicity rights, not businesses. And so if businesses, if they're in the business of, say, advertising themselves, then they should be aware of the publicity laws in the countries in which they are using their advertising. So, for example, although I understand this right is still developing here in Korea and is a bit uncertain here, in the U.S., most states in the United States, it is existing. It's a right that exists. And so a Korean company, let's say, there's many large Korean companies that have products and distribute products very successfully in the U.S., and they could not use an individual to advertise their product without securing permission for the most part. So I think that's important from a business's point of view, and I'm sure that companies like Samsung and Hyundai and others know that they need permission if they want to use Jimmy Dean's likeness in their ad, even though they might not need to here in Korea. I think that although there's no international treaty dealing with this area, there have been cases where non-U.S. celebrities have been able to protect their merchandise values in the United States. And so I think that it's valuable for celebrities from here or anywhere else to know that they can do that, that their merchandise is valuable, and they have the ability to obtain payment for that in the United States. It might be helpful for them to have agencies in the United States.